Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the ICP community. If this is your first time coming onto the channel, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. But now let's get right in today's topic, obviously, which is regarding internet computer. So what exactly is happening with ICP right now? I apologize I wasn't able to give you guys an update yesterday, but I'm making up for that right now, and I will give you guys an update tomorrow as well. Looking at the overall markets, I kind of did indicate this in my meme coin update today, but if you did not end up watching that, we will cover that in this update. So looking at the overall markets, you are seeing pretty much over the last 1 week, overall market is looking great. Let's take a look at it together. So you can see this for yourself. Pretty much everything seems to be up right now. But you are seeing a little bit of a lag as we are closing out the weekend. We did see a little bit of a retracement in a lot of coins, and ICP is down about 2.1%, and that is due to Bitcoin seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. But let's take a closer look and see what exactly is happening with internet computer and what we could be expecting. So looking at the price right now, $11.99. So we're below $12, but I think this is a little inaccurate. When I pull out the charts, it is at $12, but give or take, doesn't make a big difference. So it's down about 1.3% in the Bitcoin comparative as well. Market valuation currently sitting above 5.5 billion to be exact. 5.56, and the 24-hour trading volume has decreased quite substantially. Let's face it, ICP usually doesn't even have a high amount of volume, but you're currently sitting at $55.8 million. So again, not too low, but it has gone down quite substantially. So what is this telling us? This should tell you something right off the bat. We're seeing a little bit of low interest in a lot of altcoins right now, and this is just not for ICP. A lot of altcoins have low amount of interest right now, but I do think the upcoming months we will see that switch, because let's face it, we only have a few months left till this bull market comes to an end. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So let's take a look at what's happening with the price. But before we do that, I'm just going to quickly highlight what's happening with our good old friend Bitcoin. So dominance, as I've mentioned, we're looking at dominance pretty much going down, and that is really nice to see. Whenever dominance falls down, most of the time, guys, hear me out, most of the time I get really excited. And we haven't really seen an altcoin season. We obviously seen altcoins reacting to the overall Bitcoin momentum, because Bitcoin usually is the one that moves first, and then you see the altcoins really popping off. And we're really seeing dominance pushing towards the downside, and this is really giving me a lot of excitement. So could the Ethereum ETF bring in a lot of hype for altcoins specifically, just based on speculation that a lot of these other altcoins could see investments coming out of these big institutions? Possibly. Again, speculation at the end of the day, but I'm a firm believer that we are going to see a lot of other ETFs for multiple different projects. So this is really nice to see, of course. But if you're looking at BTC, on the other hand, did see a little bit of a minor pullback, currently sitting at 68.4. But it is setting its up for a great week ahead of us. And of course, as we know, this is the last week for the month of May. Going to be really, really good, in my opinion, if Bitcoin is able to claim back above $70,000 before we end off the week. I think that is the most bullish thing that we can ask for. So we're going to be keeping a very close eye on Bitcoin's price, as always, giving you guys these day-to-day analysis. So if you enjoy these, obviously you guys know what to do. But that's enough with Bitcoin's price. Let's take a look at what's happening with internet computer. And I know, let me just get this cleared up. Before I even begin, there's going to be some people that are saying, Crypto ZX, come on, man, ICP is not doing anything right now. What is going on? Remember what I say, patience. Every single video of mine, I say, patience is your number one best friend. And if you've been following me on my channel from the beginning, that's pretty much what I've been saying. If you have patience in the space, you wouldn't be worried right now. If you know what's coming, and again, I'm basing this based off of historic price patterns. And as of now, believe it or not, history has been repeating itself. But obviously, Bitcoin has a huge chunk of majority of the market valuation in BTC, because of course the ETFs being approved. We're seeing massive institutional funds coming in. But I still think we're going to see that altcoin rally occurring. because that Bitcoin profit that these massive whales are making, with these multiple other coins, that's going to go flow into other coins eventually, and that's where altcoin season will occur. So, if you're looking at ICP right now on the daily time frame, again, really impressed. Now you guys probably are like, Crypto ZX, what do you mean you're impressed? Yeah, I mean it. I'm impressed by its price action, because usually when a project is able to just go below massive levels of support in a snap of a finger, that just shows that there is not any momentum on its side. And we're still finding, despite overall market lag, you're still seeing ICP not retesting our May 23rd low, which was of course the $11.78. So this speaks a lot for itself. We're still holding within this range. I'm liking what I'm seeing, guys. Do have patience, pay very close attention to Bitcoin. If you were kicking yourself, let me just get this clear. If you were kicking yourself not picking up ICP when it was at $20, well, you are getting it almost half off just based off of that. If you were saying, man, I wish I was picking it up within this consolidation phase, well, that price is literally here. And usually when prices are skyrocketing, people are so bullish. People are like, this that, and I wish we could go back in time, so I can like reaccumulate my positions. But when the price actually comes back, people just generally don't even do what they would do when the market is extremely bullish. So again, sophisticated investors, they know what they're doing. And ICP, project itself, if you've done your due diligence, which I'm assuming you would, if you're watching this update, you know that it's a revolutionary project. If it gets to where they want to be going, this could be revolutionary. But as far as the price is concerned, we're still within this range. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Last time we were actually below it for quite some time. Kind of dates back to March of this year. You could make the argument that we did see multiple different wicks below, but this never managed to stay below it. Maybe for a few hours, but we did see ICP recovering very fast, and I think we are going to see it recover again. But this is where your patience is required. But do let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.